Hey guys, Bullets 596 here, and we're on a bird hunt. Got a pellet gun. There's a bird right there. See it just fly up there. See if I can get him. Just flew on the other side. I can still a couple over there. Alright, hold on. I'll get positioned. Missed him. Oh, I got his wing. He's down. Man, I hit his wing. And he went down. There's still more birds over there. I'll see if I can get one. Still more birds over there. Oh man, this is the gun right here. This is the gun. This did the work. Some more over there. I'm gonna see if I can get one. Benjamin Titan nitro piston. See if I can get another one. Hold up. Put another round in this, so I'm gonna go see if I can. I'll go retrieve the bird with 1,200 feet per second going at a little bird. I don't even know if those are birds over there. Might be. Let me check it out real quick. But I'm gonna try getting a shot at another one. Let me scope on it. Nope, not birds. Let's go retrieve the other bird I just shot. It's down over there. Bring the pellet gun. Still here. Alright, out in the apple orchard. Pellet gun. Just out here. There he is, so you can see him. He's down. He's dead. He's dead. He's good. Man, what an exciting hunt. Got another bird. I'm taking the pile. Oh man, I screwed him up, man. Look at all that little blood pile over there. Man, there's our fourth bird of the day. Stepdad got two earlier, and I got this one. Smoked, and there's some feathers over here. I'll show you where the birds are. Got the one I just shot right there. Got one right over there. Got one right there, and one right there. Alright, thanks guys.